What's up, guys? ATM Sportscards. This is box 1 of our second 5-box break to finish out this case of 09 Bowman Chrome football. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Sean McCoy for the Eagles. Brand new set of names here. Eagles ASM. Base Dion Butler for the Seahawks. Seahawks is New York Mets Jets. Get a Curtis Painter rookie for the Colts. That would be Red Sox. Nate Davis, 49ers, baller script. Josh Freeman for the Bucks. That would be ASM. We got a Tom Brady X-Fractor for the Patriots. It's going to Patriots. TX Carr. And a Stephen McGee for the Cowboys going to Magoo. Brooks Foster for the Rams. That goes to Westy. Oshimogo Atogwi refractor for the Rams. Westy. And Austin Collie for the Colts. Red Sox. Phil Rivers X-Fractor for the Chargers. Going to baller script. James Davis for the Browns going to Westy. Brian Orakpo for the Redskins. Going to Red Sox. Lewis Murphy for the Raiders. Going to TX Carr. What's up, Andy? We got a blue refractor autograph, number to 35. Going to baller script. Ramses Barden. Aaron Curry, Seahawks. Going to New York Mets Jets. Brooks Foster for the Rams, going to Westy. Jamarcus Russell, Raiders, refractor. That would be TX Carr. And a Joaquin Iglesias for the Bears, going to Amish. Got a Ramses Barden rookie going to baller script. 4 packs left. Malcolm Jenkins refractor. That goes to the Saints. Drunk Trojan. Glenn Coffey for the 49ers going to baller script. Blue refractor rookie Aaron Maben for the Bills, number to 150. Bills, CSM. And Kenny McKinley for the Broncos. Cassibinator. Pat White for the Dolphins. Pat White. Dolphins is MLB Barker. And a Jason Smith for the Rams. Rams was McNabb to Westy.